Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Once again welcome back to your class Ravisirjee Maths, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics. Students, in our previous video lecture we have studied about the definition of function and we know the very important terms input and output. Okay students, on the basis of these two terms we are going to learn about domain, codomain and range of the function. Students, first of all we will see the standard definition of domain, codomain and range. Students, in a very easy way you can say that domain is what? The component of set A is what? Domain. And codomain is what? Component element of set B. And range is what? The image of set of element of A in codomain. Means students, in a very short way you can say that the element of set A is what? Domain. Elements of set B is codomain and image of element of set A in B is what? Range. Okay students, let us see the standard definition of domain, codomain and range. If f is a function, what is f? Is a function defined over A to B. Defined over A to B means x is what? A is what? The element of A is what? Will be domain. Defined over B, element of B will be codomain, and each element of A correspond to one and only one element of B, whereas every element in B need not to image of X. Keep it in mind that, okay? Every element of B need not to the image of X. X is what? The element of A, right? Then the set A is called the domain of the function and the set B is called the codomain of the function, and the subset of B, what is? Subset of B, the image of element of A, the image of element of A called the range of the function. Okay students, let us see with these things with example. Okay, so first of all, here you are having the set A. What is set A? It having the element 1, 2, 3, 4. This is set A. Okay students, here is been the function defined on f of x, function x square, right student? Function f of x, x square defined over A to B, right? The element of B are what? This is set B. This is defined over A to B, the element of B 1, 4, 7, 8, 9, 14 and 16. What does it mean student? F of x is equal to x square. If you are taking 1, f of 1 x square means 1 square is 1. So 1 is corresponding with what? 1 is corresponding with what? 1, right? So now x is 2, f of 2, so 2 square is 4. So 2 corresponding to 4. 3, f of 3, 3 square 9. So 3 corresponding to 9. What about 4? F of 4, 4 square, and 4 square corresponding to 16. So students, this part is what? Domain. What is? This is what? Domain. Okay, and these part are what? Range. This is range, and this element, these elements are codomain. What is? Codomain. So in short way students, here we can write what? Domain Domain are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So element of domain are 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Codomain. What are codomain? 1, 4, 7, 8, 9, 14, 16. 1, 4, 7, 8, 9, 14 and 16. And what about range? So range are what? 1, 4, 9, 16. 1, 4, 9 and 16. Okay students, in short way, image of 1 is 1. According to this function, f of x is equal to x square. Input is what? 1. You are getting x square, means 1. Image of 1 is 1. According to this function, image of 2, 4. Image of 3, 9. And image of 4 is 16. In short, students, you can say that domain is the element of set A, codomain is element of set B, and range is the image of set A. What is image of set A? Okay students, here we having two more example. Let us see. Now students, here you can see that you having two sets, A and B. Right students, the element of set A 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the element of set B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the function is defined A to B. This is set B. Function is defined A to B. The function is what? Student, f of x is equal to 2x plus 1. So what we want to find out? Domain, codomain and range. Here you can see that the element of set A is domain, element of set B is codomain. Now we will find out range. This is input, and according to these input we will find out some output. Those output will be what? Image. Okay, putting 1 over here, f of 1, if you are putting 1, so 2 into 1 plus 1, you are getting 2 plus 1, 3. Means the image of 1 is what? 3. Now substituting 2 in place of x, 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 1, 4 plus 1, this is what? 5. So image of 2 is what? 5. Now f of 3, so 2 into 3 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. So image of 3 is 7. Now f of 4, so 2 into 4 plus 1, 8 plus 1, you are getting 9, and the image of 4 is what? 9. So the element of these set are what? Domain. What is domain? Element of these sets are codomain, and the image is 3, 5, 7 and 9. These are the elements of range. Okay students, so these are what? Range. So students, here you can write what? Domain. The domain are what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Codomain 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3 up to 10. And range of this function is what? 3, 5, 7, 9. Means image of the element of A. Range of the function is image of the element of A. So the image of 1 is 3, image of 2 is 5, image of 3 is 7 and image of 4 is 9. So the range are 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay students, now moving to the final questions of today's video lesson. Same things you will have to do over here. Two sets A and set B. Right? The element of set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And the element of set B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the element of set B and these are the element of set A. And here is when the function f of x is equal to 2x plus 1. The function defined over a to b. The function defined over a to b. The function is what? F of x is equal to 2x minus 1. Means the element of A are input. If you will substitute over here, you will get something. Those are output and those outputs are what? Image. So first of all, substituting f is equal to x is equal to 1, 2 into 1 minus 1, so 2 minus 1, 1. F of 2, 2 into 2 minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3. F of 3, 2 into 3 minus 1, 6 minus 1 is 5. And f of 4, 2 into 4 minus 1, 8 minus 1 is what? 7. And f of 5, 2 into 5 minus 1, 10 minus 1 is 9. So students, here you can see that the image of 1 is what? 1. The image of 1 is 1. The image of 2, the image of 2 is 3. The image of 2 is 3 and the image of 3 is 5. The image of 3 is 5. Image of 4 is 7. Image of 5 is 9. So students, these elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the set of these element is what? Domain. Domain of the function. Right? And the set of these elements, these are codomain. And these outputs are what? Range. So students, here you can write what? Domain, the set of domain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set of codomain 1 to 9, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. And the range is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The element of range 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay students, here we are completing today's video lesson. I hope you have understood about domain, codomain and range of the function. Thank you once again for watching the video till the end.